A concise journey uncovers little-known festival moments where street drums pulse, woven costumes shimmer, and ritual fires mark communal beginnings. From misty highland processions to sunlit river rituals, each scene emphasizes how shared symbols spark belonging across distant lands. The narrative follows organizers who blend ancient chants with modern visuals, turning quiet spaces into vibrant theaters of memory. Audience reactions ripple through puddles of rain or open plazas, reminding viewers that color is a language spoken by all. This short invites curiosity about who keeps these fleeting moments alive and how generations borrow, blend, and pass them forward.